Hey y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. I got part 2 for another fabulous Walmart kids clearance, just a little bit this time. And I just got back in from Aldi's. So I'm going to do the Walmart first, and then I'm going to tell you about my little Aldi's trip. So if you're new to the channel, thank you, and welcome back, fabulous family. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, make sure to give me your likes, and leave me a lovely comment and let me know if you were able to get out to Walmart to find some of these fabulous clearances for kids clothing that they have going on right now. So nevertheless, let's get into the video. So in my part 1 of the video, I was showing you like the dollar clothes and stuff that I had found for the granddaughters. So I went back yesterday and look at this shirt. Isn't that fabulous with the unicorns? Oh my God, I thought it was so cute. Look at that. And it's, I believe it's that reversible. Yeah, it's the reversible sequence fabric. So I thought Ariana's gonna like that. And I only got paid $2 for it. So she got that one. And like I said, this is a very small haul. And then they had the sweatshirts for $2. And they got the silver with the hearts on it. Now, this is supposed to be a XX large, but it ain't really looking like an X large to me. It's really looking like probably a medium. So what's probably going to happen, I'm going to end up giving this to my niece because I don't think this is going to fit Ariana. But that was $2. And then they had the matching jogging pants, $2. And this is a 2X as well. So to me, I don't think it's going to fit her. I did buy it for her, so I'll be giving this to my niece. And then I found one in the 6X for Julie Bear, but I couldn't find the pants. So she'll be able to wear this, you know, with a pair of leggings, like those pink leggings that I showed you in the first video. So I thought that was a great deal. And the hanger broke off of this, but this is a size 4. And I'm trying to get the hanger off so you can see. Isn't that pretty? And this is the most expensive thing that I picked up. This was $4. I'm not holding it right. This was $4. And I'm hoping it is not too small for her. A 4, it probably will be by next winter. So I'm gonna hold on to it just in case I find somebody. It says 4 to 5. If I find someone down here that has a daughter that wears a 4, because I just realized I thought it was a 5, 6, and that's kind of. I mean, if it was still winter, I think Truly would still be able to wear this. I don't know, I may take it back. Who knows? And then lastly, you know, the muscle shirts. They had these for Ariana, and these were all $1. So these are like little t-shirts you can wear at night. I couldn't find any for my niece and Truly Bear. So I grabbed up all the, the bigger sizes. So I did get 2 in pink. And then I got 2 in the turquoise blue. Because she can leave one at my house and then, take one home with her. Alright, so one more thing that I got for the girls. I went down the clearance section. And I found a nice mermaid princess bike helmet, and this was on clearance for $3. So I am going to keep this at my house, so when she comes, she can ride her bike, she'll have a helmet. but I was really happy to be able to come across this for $3. Y'all know how much helmets cost. Oh, and it says it was regularly $19.96, so that was a good deal. Now on to me with my fabulous PJs that I found. Now these are full price. They are not on clearance, but I found this pattern with the moon and the stars. Here is the top, and these were $11.84. So I got me a nice, lovely pajama set. We have our pajama party one day. And then this one, it says Berry Sleep, and it has like the panda on it. And it so reminded me of the pajamas that I had picked the girls up in. Their nightgowns had a panda. So I said, I'm gonna get me a panda nightgown. Well, pajama set. And then these are the pants. Isn't these adorable? And they're really nice and soft. And they wash up really good. I bought several pairs of these, the different characters on them over the last few months, and they really hold good in the washer and dryer. And the next, I was at Walmart March the 31st, which was actually yesterday, and they got this whole new plus size area. Look at these pajama shorts. That's like the pink military camouflage, but they got it in pink. Okay, and then I got the tie-dye pajama shorts. Thought these were cute. The flamingo. Gray with the stars and clouds and moon. And I found it in the solid gray. So I treated myself to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs, and guess how much they were? $5 a piece. I didn't think that was too bad. Now, with each short set that I just showed you, they also had it separately, tank tops with that same design, and they were $5, but I didn't buy any of those because oh, and here's another pair. I thought I bought 6, sorry. And then they have the coffee pattern, so I bought me 6 pairs. I did not buy the matching shirts that went with them because they were $5, and I like to sleep in these types of shirts because I'm always hot, and these are much cheaper. Sometimes at my Walmart you can catch them for $1 when they mark them down to clearance, but I have bought a whole lot last year. I think they were $1 or $2. So I still have some brand new ones that are in my closet. I'll pull out my summer stuff, and I'll just match them up with those shorts. So yes, I'm hoping that you're able to get over to your Walmart and get some of these fabulous deals. Now, part 2 of the video. I just got back from Aldi's, and let me give you a brief synopsis. About 2 weeks ago, me and my mom were talking, and she was showing me her flyer up in New Jersey, and I'm like, Mom, what is that? And she was like, oh, they got the rolling suitcases for the girls. So of course I jumped in my truck, went down to the nearest Aldi, which is about 33 minutes away. I went there, and they didn't have them. So I left my YouTube business card, and the lady called me this morning, and she said they just came in. So this is what I found, and these were $16.99 a piece. And this is not what the one I went for. I went to go get the frozen one because when Ariana was about 2 years old, I had got her one for Christmas. And now that she's 7, whenever I pick her up, she uses this now for like her shoes, you know, her little personal stuff, her books, her iPad, and her little arts and crafts. And this is what she travels with when she comes down with me. So I said, I need to get one for Truly Bear. So anyway, long story short, it has the handle. I'm not going to unwrap it because it's going over to storage. And it has the little rolls, the little wheels. So I got that for Truly Bear. And then I seen the pink one. I was like, I wonder what character that is. They had the LOL. So this is Ariana's updated one. Hers is about 5, almost 6 years old. So I got this one, and I got 2. One for my niece in New Jersey, and you know, again for Ariana. And I paid like $54 for 3 of these. I thought that was a fantastic deal. And they were hard. I have been looking for these type of suitcases for a while now. That way when I pick the girls up in Charlotte, they got their bags, and we rolling out since we can't travel anywhere. So I was just so thankful that the lady remembered me, and she called me and she was like, Raquel, they're in. I will put one in the back for you. Just come up to the register and let them know that you're here to pick it up. So I was just so grateful that she did remember me, and I was able to get down there this morning and get it. So you know, while I was there, I found this beautiful velvet quilt set, 3 pieces, and OMG, oh, I can't wait to lay down on it. You get 2 shams, and that is the quilt, and it's really light. It's a really nice light quilt because I can't stand all that heat on me at night. And I got it in queen, and it was $29.99. So this is going to go fabulous in my new bedroom. And you're going to see how I tie this blanket in. Once I get moved and get settled, I'll be doing a home tour, and I'm just concentrating on one room at a time so I don't get overwhelmed. But hopefully you'll be able to get to your Aldi's and see if they still have these. And if you've been on the hunt for these for about almost 2 weeks ago, check your Aldi's because they just came in today. Well, down here in North Carolina, I don't know anywhere else. But if you found them, make sure to leave me a lovely comment and let me know. So, with that being said, and as I always say, ciao. If it ain't cheap, I ain't buying it. Y'all stay blessed, and I will see y'all in another Walmart Wednesday or any other store that I may go to. Bye-bye, and stay safe.